Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping both devices. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging on your Android device so Windows 7 can accept a connection. On the PC, extract or install ADB platform tools and the scrcpy binary. This is the program that mirrors and controls the screen. Once done, plug the phone into the PC with a reliable USB cable and set the phone's USB mode to MTP or file transfer. Make sure drivers install. This allows ADB to see the device. With both devices ready, open Command prompt in the folder where ADB and scrcpy live. Type ADB devices to confirm your phone is listed. If it is, accept the RSA debugging prompt on the phone to authorize the PC. After authorization, run scrcpy. It will stream the phone screen to a window on Windows 7. You can add flags to scrcpy to lower resolution or bitrate for smoother performance. These options control CPU and USB bandwidth during the mirroring session. Finish by using the mirrored window to interact with your phone. scrcpy supports keyboard and mouse input, and you can toggle full screen for a better view. If the screen doesn't appear, first reinstall the phone's OEM USB drivers and confirm USB debugging is still enabled. Alternate USB ports and cables can make a difference. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart the ADB service with a dbkill server then a dbstart server. Reconnect the phone and reauthorize. This resolves most detection and connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.